Readings. My readings are channeled and require your name prior to doing the actual session online. They are informative and healing and need for me to meditate on your name vibration before coming to you in that sitting. Usually my readings take an hour, so I will have the findings already written down prior to coming and talking with you. As the readings is using Reiki, it's sending light and healing to the findings of the events. So my readings are very different. I see things like videos and a memory, so I can understand your feelings in the future once you face that event. I can understand the people in the future and how they're feeling towards you. So it can be very instructional, but it also can be that you can change situations if you wish, and then I can look to see how that will turn out. I usually forget all the readings afterwards, so really there's no thing of privacy or anything like that. So it's a good idea for you to actually tape them while I'm actually online. Typical things people ask me about is their work relationships, who they're going to marry, things like, is their spouse cheating on them, are they in the career that they should be on, or are they going to be happy in their life, is their illness going to improve. So prior to the meeting, as I said, I do meditate on you, and it takes me a half an hour, and I connect with you via Skype. And of course, once you've given me your name, then I can just do this reading quite easily. Appointments are really necessary, and I read internationally for all clients all over the world, so there is a bit of a time difference and a time gap in countries. I'm located in Sydney or Egypt, so you might need to ask me at the time of making the appointment where I am, and so we can then just adjust the time setting then.